Hello, I'm Neil Burnett with Covers Camo.
George Burnett, Covers Camo.
And we just wanted to say thanks for ordering. We really appreciate you, appreciate your support, appreciate your business. And again, thank you. And a couple tips now. What's next is, if you haven't already, if you could take a photo of your front and back seats. That helps us, and back it up enough so we can see from the headrest all the way down to the trim side, so showing whether it's electric or manual controls. Those photos help us to really confirm what seat configuration you have. Maybe you had some questions as you were putting it in, logging in the order. That allows us on the back end to really confirm that you have the right thing, because we want to do it right the first time and get you out the right product, make sure you're happy with it.
Perfect, Photos are great.
Yep, so send those over. So email those to support@coversandcamo.com. You should have already received an email saying reply with photos, so you can just reply to that email with those. And then also you should have received an email that has a full all the details of your order as well. So let us know if you didn't receive that, but you should have received that email as well. And now next is the turnaround time. Turnaround's about 3 to 4 weeks. A little bit more on the 4-week range is when you should be expecting your covers to ship out. We also email you a notification with the tracking number when those do ship out. Okay. So,
and then you'll get them on the install. If you've got questions, it's pretty straightforward. But if you do have questions, we're here for you. Okay. There's a video as well on our site, give you some tips on the install side of it. And allow some good time to get them on. You'll put them on first time. You want to do it right the first time, and it's going to go over the top of your upholstery and snug down and stay tight. So just take your time, get it done right the first time, and it's going to stay tight for years and years.
Yeah, feel free to reach out to us if you have questions during the install. We do have written instructions there, some videos as well where you can again see how to do those, but. It should be pretty self-explanatory how to get those on as well. And one other quick plug is to check out our YouTube channel. We do a lot of videos that are helpful, as you can see the installation, quick tips and tricks, videos like that. But then also just other videos of other trucks that we've done, and get some ideas for some friends and family of what they might want to do, and some review videos about customers, what they think about us, and things like that. So go to our YouTube channel and click subscribe. So you should find us just by going to Covers Camo and then just type in YouTube. And if you Google that, then that'll come right up.
Yep. What about reviews from them?
Reviews from you, that would be great. So we'd love to see photos back, get reviews from you back. So on Facebook, that's a really easy place to drop us a review. Once you get the seat covers on and test them out, drop us a review on Facebook. If not, another place to review is on Google. You can go to Google, and then you pull up Covers Camo, and then right there you can also write us a review there. We'd really appreciate that. And then also the photos back. We'd love to see seeing how those photos fit on your truck or car. But mostly we do trucks. Trucks and side by sides, UTVs. That's really mostly what we do. So
perfect.
Yeah. Love to hear back from you.
Yep. And we love to see your photos and know that they're on. And we want to really do everything we can to make sure that you're super happy and that we've earned your trust and that you can tell your friends. And referrals, right? Huge for us, okay?
Yeah, and there's, in this world where there's no place to ever talk to another human being when you're trying to contact the company, it's a little refreshing to have a relationship with us where you can get a hold of us. We can help you solve your problems and get a good quality product out to you. So again, we thank you for your support. Thanks for support of our business. We appreciate you.
Thanks a lot.